Hello students, this is Shweta Roy. This video is for Chapter 3, Part 1, Civics, Government. In this video, we are going to discuss about meaning of government, the need for government, functions of a government. Also, we will discuss about types of government. So, these are some of the topics which we are going to discuss in this video. Okay, now imagine a situation. In your class, there is no teacher or there is no principal in the school. What will be the situation? If the teacher is not there in the class, there would be a lot of noise, right? So, to handle that situation, you need teacher in the class, right? So, somebody or some system is needed to control the situation, right? The same way, to maintain the law and order and to ensure cooperation among the people, a government is needed for the country. The way you need a teacher or a principal in the school, the same way we need government in the country so that law and order can be maintained. So you can see government is an important and essential component of the country. Yes, the power and functioning of a government differs from one country to another. In some countries, government is having more power. In some countries, it is having less power. That depends on country, and that is different in other countries. Government is the system by which a state is governed. In a democratic country, a government functions according to constitution. There is a constitution, and constitution means constitution is actually a fundamental legal document which contains all the laws by which the country runs. Like, to run the classroom, we have some rules, right? The teachers are having some rules to run the classroom. The same way, there are rules to run the country, and those rules or laws are written in the constitution of the country. So, in democratic country, government always functions according to the constitution. Now, what is the meaning of government? A government is an institution that makes political decisions to run a country. Actually, government refers to the group of people. There are group of people who are responsible for controlling a state or country. Like, you have teachers, group of teachers are there to control each and every class, different classes, right? The same way we have group of people who are responsible for controlling a country or state. So that is government. It takes political decisions that how country will be, how country will run. Actually, government is an administrative organ of a region or a country. It is the system by which people are governed. Also, the government expresses the will of the state. Now we have the need for government. Why do we need the government? Now, if we talk about the society, in any of the society, there are many different types of people. As we have read that we have diversity in our country, there are many people, there are many food habits, there are many different types of interest of the people, right? So the people having different interest, they will have different kind of problems also, right? If there are many people, the interest cannot be same, their problems cannot be same. Sometimes what happen, there is clash of interest among the people or the groups. Someone is having a different interest, and they want their problems to be solved, they want their interest to be fulfilled. And in these type of situations, sometimes there is clash of interest, and because of this clash of interest among the people or group, there is conflict and lawlessness. Now where there is a situation of conflict, we need someone or some system, right? So that everyone's interest can be taken care of, and there should be law and order should be maintained, right? So to restore the law and order, to ensure cooperation among the people, and to make collective decisions, and to get these things done, a need of a political organization was felt. And this political organization is known as government. Now we will discuss about functions of a government, how a government functions or works. So the government affects our daily life in many ways. First is maintaining law and order. The government ensures law and order within the country. And for this, it makes and implements laws. By making and implementing the laws, it ensures law and order within the country. If there is any dispute or crime, the government resolves them through courts. And courts are also part of the government. Second is providing basic facilities. The government provides basic facilities to the people like education, healthcare, transportation, electricity, etc. Also, it builds roads, bridges, schools, hospitals, supply electricity and provides postal and railway services. Also, the government is responsible for ensuring that all its citizens have enough to eat. That is also the responsibility of government. Also, it controls the price of a commodity. So, providing basic facilities is also a work of government. Next is action on social issues. There are many social issues on which government need to act. For example, it makes many programs and implements them to help the poor. Also makes various laws to prevent female feticides. So like this, there are many social issues on which government need to make and implement laws or some programs so that they can help the people. Next is protect the boundaries. Government also protects the boundaries of a country from the enemy countries. And it is government's duty to maintain peaceful relation with other countries. We cannot every time go for a war with other countries, right? So making a peaceful relation with other countries is also important. Next is undertake relief measures. If there is a case of natural disaster like earthquakes, tsunamis, floods, droughts, etc., the government organizes aid and assistance for the affected people. Now, what is the meaning of government? A government is an institution that makes political decisions to run a country. Actually, government refers to the group of people. There are a group of people who are responsible for controlling a state or country. Like you have teachers, group of teachers are there to control each and every class, different classes, right? The same way we have group of people who are responsible for controlling a country or state. So that is government. It takes political decisions that how country will run. Actually, government is an administrative organ of a region or a country. It is the system by which people are governed. Also, the government expresses the will of the state. I hope you all understood all the topics taught in this video. Thank you.